Good morning, good afternoon, good night. How's everyone doing? Today is day 5. Before I get started, I would like for you to hit that notification bell so you know when I make another video. I would like for you to like this video, and I would like for you to comment at the end if you like what you saw. So I'm gonna get right into it. I'm in ketosis, and what that means and how do I know that is because I've been using my ketone strips. And right now, how you use the ketone strips is you have these little strips on the inside. You can see and see the little tip of it. It will turn one of these colors. So that's how you would know if you're in ketosis. And it took me 3 days to get into ketosis. I don't know why I forgot to talk about it, but I'm talking about it now. So if you want to know how I got that way in 3 days, go back and look at my first 3 videos and see what I had been eating, and you'll know that's how I got into ketosis. Of course, with a light workout, not even a hard, just a light workout. So again, these are the ketone strips, and I picked this up at Walmart. I believe it was under $7, maybe $6, $7. And they have more expensive ones, but this is the cheapest one that I found, and it actually worked. And again, this is the range. You're not burning any body fat here, but even if you're the lightest one, you are burning your own body fat for fuel. And the deeper you go, the more ketones you're burning. So like I said, right now I'm like in between these two. I fluctuate. It depends on the time of the day. At first I'm like kind of obsessed because I like to see certain things that I eat, the way it affects my ketones. So of course, the less carbs you eat, the deeper you will be. The more carbs you eat, the lighter you get. So when I'm over with this journey, I plan on staying like at the lightest. That way I can have more carbs, but I won't be in the gain weight mode. I'll still be at the maintenance mode if you're keeping it like right here. So I just wanted to share that with y'all. And if you have any more questions about that, leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to explain more in the next video if you're interested. So today I will be doing baked chicken, and I will have broccoli on the side. And for my family to go along with the chicken and the broccoli, I'm going to make them some Spanish rice. Of course, I won't be eating the Spanish rice. So that's going to be my meal for today. And I started with, of course, my protein shake with the Starbucks, and I'll incorporate that in the video so you'll see that as well. Today I'm my own barista. So I'm gonna do my usual. We'll cover, let's see, her head. And add my usual. See if it make it. Yes, it made it. So I'll add a little bit more coffee. And that's starting off my Sunday morning. Getting my dinner started. I'm having chicken thighs, and I'm gonna do some broccoli. And when you're doing low carb or keto, you can have your butter. If you're counting your calories, be mindful of your butter that you put in your broccoli. But yeah, I have the chicken thighs, and I made sure that I got the seasoning underneath as well. That way, you know, your seasoning just won't be on the top. So I pulled back all the skin, put my seasonings next to the meat itself, and also season the outside. So these are the seasonings that I used. All of these pretty much my staple. One or the other, or all, or whatever. And I also like to use lemon pepper, but I don't have lemon pepper in here. But so anyway, this is what I'm starting with. And I also sauteed some onions and 1 red bell pepper. And I'm gonna place that on the top. I like to cook that separate. So I place that on the top, spread that around, and I'm gonna put this in the oven. I'm gonna bake it on 350. and my meat will be started. So I just wanted to show you how I start my baked chicken. All right, to my broccoli, I will add some of the Layla Ali's Sassy Seasoning Blend, and it is salt-free. So you don't have to be too light-handed with this. You don't have to worry about the salt content. And let's see, can I see the ingredients? And this is the shot if you want to pause the video and look at the ingredients. So yeah, we'll add a little bit of this for a little extra flavor. And I will add some salt though. There's just no salt in this, but I will add a little sprinkle of salt and steam this just a little bit until like maybe, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes, not that long. My baked chicken is done. This is how it came out. Nice and seasoned. It's gonna be nice and flavorful. And this is my menu: baked chicken, broccoli, and Spanish rice. And on my broccoli, I'm gonna melt some cheese and put some cheese on it. Okay, I'm sauteing my bell pepper. That's 1 bell pepper, 1 onion, and I like to season my bell pepper and onion when I saute that for any dish first with the 21 seasoning salute, so it'll have its own flavor. Everything I add when I put my dish together, everything will have its own seasoning. When everything comes together, that makes it taste so much better. So I added 1 can of diced tomato. And I'm gonna add a little bit more. Like I said, everything deserves its own seasoning. So mix all this together. Let that cook a little bit, and then I add my rice mixture. Okay, I've added my rice. I brought it to a high boil. I've just turned it down, so I'm gonna let it cook on a low heat until it's done. This is wrapping up my dinner for day 5. I have some baked chicken with bell pepper and onion on top, and my broccoli. So that'll be it for day 5. If you like this dinner, give me a thumbs up. Just to show you how committed I am, this is dinner for Sunday. Not eating the rice. This is my husband's plate. So thank you for watching my video. Leave a comment, like, and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. God bless.